it being recorded. So here we have it. So step A, in matrix form. So that's AX equals B. So -3, 8, -5 times XY equals 18. So that's step E. Yes? Everybody with me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then B, using diagonalization method, you say the adjoint of A times AX equals the adjoint of A times B. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So D negative B negative CA times A B C D times XY equals D negative B negative CA times 18, 19. So let me label the A, the B, the C, and the D to
Yeah.
fit the situation, and that's it. So we'll start with -5. So -5, B is -3. So a -3, that's a +3. 8, so a negative C would be -8. And then I just put down the A, which is 7. Then I rewrite the same matrix 7, -3, 8, -5 times XY equals -5, 3, -7 times 18. So up to now, everything seems normal. Up to now.
Sir, I got a question.
Yes, my dear.
Sir, so this actually have adjoint and inverse in it?
No, it's only a joint. It's only a joint.
But we have to do A, D, and C 2 times?
What do you mean?
The D,
The
A, B, and
adjoint
C,
is
A.
just because remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other.
So we have to follow the rule on this one, right?
Yes.
On the adjoint.
Of the
Okay.
adjoint, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. So here we begin. So we start -5 times 7 plus 3 times 8. That's the first element. Then -5 times -3 plus 3 times -5. Then -8 times 7 plus 7 times 8. Then -8 times -3 plus 7 times -5 times xy. Remember, we're only doing the left hand side first. So, next step, all right, 7 times 5 is 35, but I need a negative, so -35 plus 3 times 8 is 24. Then the next one, negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 3 is positive 15 in this case. And the that's going to be its opposite, or its inverse, -15. -8 times 7, that's -56, I believe. 7 times 8 is just positive 56, if I recall correctly. I'm hoping. And then negative times a negative, we know is a positive. 8 is 24. and then negative 35 times xy. So we're almost there. So here we have negative, let me change the bracket. This will be negative 11 if I recall correctly. 0, 0, negative 11 times x, y. There is a great possibility,
My
let's say
mistake was
that
right
you
there,
might
sir.
end up with a, yes, a fraction. Your result, we'll deduce this in just a second. All right, so the next one is going to be negative 5 times 18 plus 3 times 19, negative 8 times 8 plus 7 times 19. So here, 18 $5 bills, I believe is 90, so this is going to be negative 90 plus 3 times 9 is 27. That's going to be 57 here. Yeah. Next one, 8. 8 times 8, I know is 64. And 6 is going to be 14. So I have 144 plus 7 times 9, I believe is 63. And
133.
130.
Sir, I said to get kicked out of your class.
Really?
Yes, sir. I don't know if that my internet they get trouble or what, but I said to get kicked out. But
If
Lyle
it
me
is,
to
if
turn
it is
yes up
cold in the city,
attendance.
it might be. Because at EP today, when during the day it was like that. For some reason, the digital internet right now is giving a lot of trouble. I don't know why.
Sir, is the sign for negative 90, it's negative 57?
Positive 57. All right. So when we work it out, we're going to have a negative as my value. 0 minus 7 cannot go. 10 minus 7 is 3, leaving me with 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, so negative 33. And obviously this is going to be negative 11. So it's not going to come out like a fraction, Miss Leslie. So since it is a scalar, this will end up as negative 11x, negative 11y equals negative 33 minus 11, and hence we equate left-hand side to right-hand side. So we'll have negative 11x equals negative 33, and negative 11y equals negative 11. And so we divide both sides by negative 11. So negative 11 here, negative 11 here, negative 11 here, and negative 11 there. This, of course, cancels, giving me x is equal to negative and negative cancel. 33 divided by 11 is 3. Here, this cancels, giving me with y. And anything divided by itself is 1.
I see my mistakes